Hey everyone, happy Wednesday. A few announcements this week, and then I will get to our cultural thought of the week. So, quite a few things going on our page. First off, we've updated our YouTube channel, and all of our clips and interviews and cultural thoughts are now on YouTube. Please seek us out. It's called Saprotu channel. Our link is also on our Facebook and Instagram pages. And please click subscribe, share it with folks you know who use YouTube. We hope that it will be a new platform that can share with a wider audience. Second couple things, I've added a couple of events to our page. Under the event section, we will be having a live video on Sunday the 18th at 7 p.m. Eastern European time, so that's 7 hours ahead of the Eastern Standard Time of the US, so 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time US. And I'll be talking a little bit further about my story, but more specifically about what life is like in the US for someone who's grown up there. So I've met a lot of folks who have questions about how the US works and what it's like for a US resident, which may be a little bit different from what you see in the movies or experience as a tourist. The second event that I've put up is that next month in May, we're going to have a Saprotu Story Month. So I'm going to be posting themes each week and really encourage all of you to participate, #Saprotu, and upload your own videos about your experiences and backgrounds, cultural thoughts, and hopefully that will be a great event where we can hear from a lot of different voices. So here's my cultural thought of the week. This week I was thinking about food, and food is such a huge topic, but you'll see in our upcoming interview with Alexis, we had a really interesting conversation about what was typical food in Siberia, where he's from, as well as something that he made for his Latvian friends that really impressed them, a typical Latvian food. And I'll let you watch the video to find out what. But it reminded me how much of an emotional connection we have to food and how food really draws us to a place. So thinking about the places that you've lived, places you've been for a while, what are foods that really evoke that place for you? So one thing about Latvia, one flavor that I always think about is dill. You can't, it's almost a joke, but you can't get away from dill in Latvia. It's on everything and it really makes me taste Latvia. Another thing that I think about, of course, maybe sounds a little stereotypical, but is totally true. When I lived in New York City, bagels are a huge part of New York City culture, and I can't not think of New York City when I think of bagels. And of course, down south, I have certain associations with both sweet and spicy foods, peppers and fresh fruit like peaches and watermelons. So tell us what foods you think about that associate with certain places and maybe a little bit about why that is. Look forward to hearing from you.